Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Google Chrome Clipboard permission reset loop, step by step, updated for 2026. This problem happens when a website keeps asking for clipboard access even after you allow it, or the permission keeps resetting automatically. First, open Google Chrome and go to Settings. Click Privacy and Security, then Site Settings, and select Clipboard. Make sure the default option is set to Ask before accessing. Now check the allowed and blocked lists. If the affected website appears more than once, remove all existing entries. Duplicate permission records often cause the reset loop. Next, open the website again. Click the lock icon next to the address bar. Choose Site Settings and manually set clipboard permission to allow. Reload the page to apply the change. If the issue continues, clear site-specific data. Go back to Site Settings, open all sites, search for the website, and click Clear Data. Corrupted site storage is a common reason for clipboard permission loops. Now check extensions. Go to Chrome://extensions and temporarily disable clipboard managers, privacy tools, or security extensions. These extensions often override clipboard permissions. Refresh the website and test again. Another important step is resetting Chrome flags. Open Chrome://flags, search for clipboard or privacy-related flags, and reset everything back to default. Incorrect experimental flags can break permission handling. Also make sure Chrome is updated. Go to Chrome://settings/help and install any available updates, as clipboard permission bugs are regularly fixed. Finally, restart Chrome to apply all changes. And that's it. By resetting clipboard permissions, clearing site data, disabling conflicting extensions, resetting flags, and keeping Chrome updated, you can permanently fix the clipboard permission reset loop. Hey everyone! In this video,